Welcome back to our channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, I'm gonna be fixing Jessica Biel's makeup look. Okay, so you can see the picture right here over screen, and believe me or not, this is not the best option. This is not the best makeup look that Jessica Biel ever had over her face. This is like probably the worst makeup look that I found from Jessica Biel. I'm gonna get started right away, guys. As for my previous time, I did camera my foundation and concealer, added a bit of powder so I have like a flat base that we can contour, we can create anything with this base. Let me get started. At first, she doesn't have contour at all. She has a lot of blush, but when you look at her face, you see a lot of things are going on. There's like a lot of blush and some red lips and makeup and brows. I can't even say that she wears like brows because there's just two lines, and I don't know, is that some sort of makeup concept? Let me get started with brows. I'm gonna get started with my regular routine. I'm not using my brow gel, so I'm using only my brow pencil. The thing is that I can't say that she has a lot of like crazy brows or gel, whatever, so we're gonna keep it as natural as possible. I'm gonna outline my brows first. At the moment, I'm filling in my brows with the same pencil. I'm brushing off a little bit of this pencil with the spoolie. And then let me use some brow gel. You can use any brand you have in mind in your makeup kit. And if you want to add some extra dimension, you can use some brow pencil. My next step is going to be contour. I am using MUA Makeup Academy bronzer. It depends on what you have in mind. I can't say that she has to wear a lot of contour because practically the main focus is on the blush, but you always have to keep in mind that when you create a makeup look, even if you're fixing someone's makeup look, you have to see your face first and then create something related to the makeup look. It's not always the best thing to focus on someone's makeup look and trying to reduplicate the same one, because different shapes, different complexions, different eye color may look absolutely bizarre on you or absolutely stunning on you and absolutely bizarre on someone else. What I do, I use my Ingo brush and I'm bringing this color up, so I'm making sure that I have really beautiful straight line and a bit over my nose tip. I see she has like pink blush, really colorful blush, and there's like too much of it. That is the reason why I would try to play with a little bit different color, probably something peachy, because she has beautiful makeup look. It has like, it's really soft makeup look. I guess she is wearing some falsies. If you don't like peachy makeup looks, you can skip this step and just use your favorite color in undertone. I can't say I'm a huge fan of peachy shades, but in some makeup looks it might work actually. And I'm placing this over my contour. You can be really generous with this product because when we set face with some fixing spray, we're gonna wipe off a lot of the color. You know, a little bit more is not gonna harm you. But if you don't really like using Beauty Blender after you're done with your setting product, then you should be really careful with your blush. Look how gorgeous and pretty this is. I do know that it's a lot of color, but we're gonna fix it for sure. And a bit of over my nose tip. I'm using today NYX HD Studio eyeshadow base. So I did a review, guys, on this little cutie in my hands. If you want to check this out, this is like on my front page. If you really want to watch full review, that is the video for you guys. In the outer corner, like really close to the brow tail, she has some brown undertone, and I guess a little bit here, like maybe that's some sort of contour, a bit of orange color, and then some champagne color as well. We're playing with the James Charles eyeshadow palette once again as the crease shade, like transition shade. We're gonna be using today this beautiful, I don't even know, orange color and some blending brush. This one is from Beauty Bay, and I guess we would need a little bit more underneath my brow, really close to the nose bridge. But it gives me like this orange vibe. That's why I'm gonna switch to a little bit different shade to this one, kind of mustardy, I don't know, brown, and then place it over my transition shade as well. It feels a bit muddy, I'd say, but we can work with the shade. As for main shades, I'm going to something shimmery and I'd say peachy, probably peachy. And I would really want to wet my brush. I'm a little lazy, so I guess I'm using my beauty blender. It's wet, and my brush is going to be wet as well if I dab it with a beauty blender a little bit. And then use it in the outer corner. It does look pretty. You know, guys, what I realized? Actually, when I was decorating my apartment and designing my apartment, the one that I'm filming in today, so I was focusing on a lot of white colors, a lot of, neutral shades as well, and I wanted some gray shades. But then I realized that, I love color not only for my makeup looks, but I love color for my house as well. And I love when it's bold. That's why I guess, like, if you have an opportunity to decorate another house or another apartment, I would definitely go for some bold and colorful shades, because I do believe that's something that I would really love and would really want. Probably not crazy bold. I don't really like this, 2000, I don't know, 7 vibes with hot orange shades. No, it's probably not the type of stuff that I'm looking for. But I'm like talking about some really pretty shades, maybe even black or super dark gray, or maybe I'm gonna be considering some other shades like, oh, I don't even know, probably for my furniture. Yeah, I don't know. That is just in my dreams. And then I'm gonna add in the inner corner this beautiful kind of champagne shade, or like, let me play with this one. This one is gonna look, I guess, a bit closer to her style. And I'm gonna get this for the rest of my eyelid. I would add some black liner. I'm a believer that makeup look has to have black liner, or at least any other liner, giving me a little bit more depth. I'm using today Maybelline eyeliner. This is not my favorite eyeliner, but this is something that I have. That's it. The liner is not crazy, but it's showing the colors. And then I'm going to my Max Factor mascara. I would need some falsies, I'd say. I have some absolutely infamous brand, and I'm gonna use my Duo glue. I'm gonna do my left eye for my shorts, and then I'll be right back to show you my lip routine. First, I'm gonna fix my makeup with some setting spray. This one is from NYX, and I'm almost out of this product. And I'm using the same beauty blender to blend everything out, to diffuse all these colors, just make sure that everything looks nice and really smooth. And what I really need to do is to use a bit of my highlighter. And I love using highlighter with my wet beauty blender. It does look pretty, and it's some sort of like, it feels like it's melted into my foundation. Usually I do that right after my setting spray. You always have the other side of the beauty blender to take off some extra product, and I add a bit over my nose tip. With wet beauty blender, it's gonna look bomb. Thank me later for a tip. And that's so pretty. For my last step, she has some kind of red-ish color. I have my super expensive Estee Lauder lipstick. No, I didn't buy it. My friend bought it, and then she said that she didn't like the color, so she gave it to me. And now I'm the owner of this lipstick. We have to apply this first. I'm leaving the space on the sides of my lip. I explained that really in detail in one of my previous videos, but let me explain one more time. On the sides, I'm leaving this for my contour, because if I'm adding too much contour, I'm gonna have this, feeling of set lips. So let me go to the contour, lip contour. What I do, I place my lip pencil above my lip contour. This shade has some orange undertone. And that's the complete look. How do you feel about that? I love it. It's really soft. I really like the liner. I would have missed a liner, like a good black line over my eyelids. I love the shade of my lipstick. It feels a bit orangey, but it does really match my eyes and it does really match my contour. And I guess that's pretty much it. I was so happy to fix Jessica Biel's makeup look because I believe this needed some drastic change as well as my previous Fix My Makeup look looks. And that's pretty much it for today. I love you guys. I'm gonna see you in one of my next videos, and till my next time.